fit and that you have undergone further checks and tests at the detention facility. And when you broached
Your cousins?
health matters,
What's the name of your cousin?
able to come to the
What's the
hearing,
name of your
the
cousin?
doctors who consulted with you
What's your name?
were of the opinion that Mr. Duterte was not in a position to come to the hearing physically, but that if he gave a written permission, he would be able to take part via video link. Now that is with regard to the health matters that you just mentioned.
Take your hands.
They are very important, especially
No,
with
what you're drawing,
the
Sprunky? Oh,
matter of
Siki, you know how to
Now,
draw.
with regard
Sprunky,
to
that's
the
going
rights
to
of
teach
Mr.
me.
Duterte, we have before us the
What's the
registrar's
hot
or
dog,
the
okay?
registry's report
Then
that
the next
says
stage,
that Mr.
I know
Duterte
how
has
to
been
make it
informed
now.
of his rights, including Articles 66 and 67 of the Rome Statute, and that he is aware of his rights and that he is also aware
What are you doing,
of the charges
Siki?
against him. We have before us the
No,
report
Sprunky.
of the registrar.
How old are you, Sprunky?
saying
Oh, no, Siki?
that he was also aware of the
What?
warrant of arrest
6.
in the
You're
English
6, you
language,
just
and
turned
that
5,
he
and then
is
you're
very
6.
well versed in the
How
English
old are you?
language.
6.
No.
Once again,
You're
you
5,
have the
you're still 5.
possibility
Huh?
of these
Yeah, you just turned
charges,
5. Remember?
being
You
read
turned
in
5 again?
English, which was the
You
case
just turned
today.
5.
I have read to you.
How
in
old are you,
detail
Niña?
The rights
4.
that he has,
No,
Mr.
you just
Duterte,
turned
before this
3.
court, and I'd like
What
to
the-
specify once
What
again
the what?
this initial hearing.
Huh? How old are you,
in
Niña?
order for
Niña, how old are you?
for
Niña, you're not
Mr.
listening.
Duterte to be aware of
How old
his
are you?
rights and the charges against him.
3.
And then there will be
What is
a
3?
full,
Show me the 3.
procedure,
Oh, that's 5.
that
Show us how to make the
It's
3.
well,
How to make the 3,
leading
Niña?
up to the confirmation
How to make the 3?
that
You
will
can't make the
enable
3?
Mr. Duterte to raise
Oh,
all the matters
Yeah,
that
show
he
me how
has
to
just
make a
raised
3.
with regard to
3.
the warrant of
You're
arrest,
3, right?
with regard
Sim,
to
show
the
me.
crimes committed,
Show
with
me.
regards to
Hold the 2 one. Hold the
and
2.
any other matters
Hold the 2.
associated with the
Count me, count. Let me see. How many?
The matters of jurisdiction of the court. You have the opportunity to do this
How?
throughout the
How to count 3?
proceedings leading up to the
3.
actual
How to count?
confirmation of charges
How to
hearing.
count 3 like
Now,
this?
counsel, with
Can you
regard
hold?
to your
Can you hold?
request for another hearing